I entered my first classroom nearly 30 years ago and did not understand how isolating the teaching experience could be. As I transitioned into an administration role, I really began exploring different ways that teachers could be collaborating to ensure the success for every child. Fast forward to today, and through Jigsaw Learning, founded by myself and my wife Lorna, we work with school systems to develop a robust framework we refer to as collaborative response to intentionally structure schools to respond to the needs of students while accessing and enhancing the collective capacity of the team. So, collaborative response. Collaborative response involves a fundamental shift for schools and districts, such as layering team structures, transforming the way we talk about students, looking at data and evidence to really help formulate our responses, and then tiering our responses rather than tiering the students. Through this work, we've seen incredible success for schools and school jurisdictions in ensuring to what we refer to as a driving mantra. Every child deserves a team. It's through the collaborative response framework that we are able to achieve just that.